Did you know you can actually create a video from the point of writing the video script, recording the voiceover and putting all that together without you doing anything yourself or breaking any sweat doing so? Yeah, that's right. There are AI softwares that will help you create video scripts in any topic or niche, help you turn the video script text to human sounding voices, and then create a text to video that you can upload on YouTube and start making money from the videos. Here are some examples of channels that are using some sort of AI softwares to create their videos and are now making money with the videos on YouTube. Now, if you ask any YouTube creator what the hardest part of being a YouTuber is, I guarantee you, most will say writing their video scripts, recording them, and putting all together to create an engaging video. Which is why there are some smart coders coming up every day with smart AI softwares to serve these needs. Here is a quick rundown of what we'll be covering in this video. I'll be showing you 4 different AI softwares that will help you take you step by step in the process of creating an engaging YouTube video that will easily guarantee you AdSense cash and even affiliate commissions. This video will also include demo videos on how to use each of the AI softwares to achieve your goal. And if you keep watching till the end, I'll also be showing you a bonus software that you can use to double down on the amount of money you can make with each of your video uploads on YouTube. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in automated videos, make sure to check out the automation tips and idea playlist that pops up on the top right of this video. Of course, you'll also find a link in the description box below this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get down to business. Now, when it comes to making videos, video scripts is obviously the first thing you would think about before you even start shooting the video. You need to turn your thoughts into well-written scripts that will allow you to perfectly execute and communicate your ideas to your viewers. But the big problem with video scripting is that most often we all tend to spend more time looking at a blank page, not knowing what to type. That's where this new feature of writing video scripts comes into play. With this simple AI tool, you can now scale your content 5 times more. This tool really makes things fast and easy when it comes to creating content for video scripts, social media, website, and much more. Just check out this short video clip on how the Jarvis AI software works.
Say hey to Jarvis. Artificial intelligence makes it fast and easy to write content for your blog, social media, website copy, and more. Writer's block have you stuck? Not anymore. Now you can scale up content 5 times faster using AI. So, how does Jarvis work? Get started at jarvis.ai. Once you're in, choose from over 50 different writing skills Jarvis already knows. Simply tell Jarvis about what you're selling and then press generate. Instantly before your eyes, watch Jarvis write content for you. Since Jarvis has read about 10% of the internet, it knows all about your niche and is trained by expert marketers to write emotional, persuasive copy. Do you want to write high-quality blog content fast? Then activate Boss Mode. This lets you command Jarvis directly in documents like, "Hey Jarvis, write a paragraph about aliens in the tone of voice of Joe Rogan." Haha, dang, look at that. Now you just got to make your edits, rephrase, and then generate your next paragraph. It's that fast and easy. Jarvis writes original content that's plagiarism-free, optimized for SEO, and drives sales. That's why Jarvis is rated 5 stars and over 1,000 reviews.
For the first time ever, we have content that's like actually really ranking, and that's because we're using Jarvis.
You've probably seen copy already that was written by it, and it's so good that even I have seen copy that's written by it and never realized. You might be watching my ads and have no idea that 90% of the work for that ad was done by this tool. It's so cool.
I can do so much more, so much faster because I'm cutting out a lot of the legwork in the copywriting, which is staring at the blank page and wondering what the heck I'm going to write about, right?
Imagine what you could write with artificial intelligence. Join over 30,000 people in the Jarvis Nation. Get started now at jarvis.ai.
Now you can find the link to the Jarvis AI software in the description box below this video. And by the way, you don't want to miss breaking through the language barriers using this software. The second AI software you can use to make your videos is of course the text-to-speech software. Now if you are thinking that text-to-speech videos do not get monetized on YouTube, let me start by clearing that out. I recently made and posted a whole video tutorial on how to make Reddit story videos, in which I showed you examples of Reddit channels like these making money using just text-to-speech softwares. Listen to one of the videos on this channel, for example.
I donated for 6 months in university, twice a week. I gave consent to be contacted. That was close to 20 years ago now.
Now, with a tool like Speechello, you can create sounds that are better than what you just heard. Just listen and watch this short video clip on how to use Speechello to create your video voiceover. And by the way, the short video clip was created using one of Speechello's male voices.
In this short video I am going to show you how easy it is to generate perfect voiceovers. All that you need to do is paste the text that you want to transform into voice. After that, you need to select the voice that you want to use, and you have a lot of voices to choose from. In this case, I'm going to select this voice. Now you can adjust the speaking rate and make the text sound a lot faster, like you hear it right now. You can hear the speaking rate being increased, right? It's very easy to increase the volume. Can you hear how loud this sounds? You can also add longer pauses. Exactly like I did right now. If you want, you can emphasize certain words. It's that easy. Speechello can increase speaking rate, add pauses, increase volume, emphasize words. And as you just heard, I can add inflections in my voice and enumerate with no effort. That's it. You now hit generate voiceover. In just a few seconds the voiceover is generated, and you can now listen to it or simply download it on your device. It's really that simple to generate perfect voiceovers using Speechello.
Now that you have your video script and your voiceover, all that is left is the video content itself. Make sure to hit the like button if you like me to show you how to find and use already created video clips and images that relates to your recorded text-to-speech voiceover without ever worrying about any copyright claims. So the third AI software that will help you put everything together will be the InVideo app. I decided to show you how to use the InVideo app because it also makes things really easy when it comes to adding related images and video clips to match your voiceover. Plus, you can get started with the app today for completely free. With this app, all you have to do is select the text to video option here. Then here below, your video size, which in this case is a landscape video size, and the InVideo app will display matching templates here below. Next is selecting any of the templates here and click on the use template button. Here is where you want to copy and paste the video script that was generated with the Jarvis AI software. Now for this, I've already posted a video on this channel on how to make text to shorts videos using the InVideo app, so I'll not go in great details in this video. Again, you'll find a link to that video in the description box below this video. So what you want to do next is check the auto suggest image or video option here and click on the next button below. The InVideo app will now split the text you just added into video scenes that contain an image or a video clip together with the video script text. Now all you have to do next is re-edit any of these scenes as you see fit. So for example, you can add video clips that relate to each scene by just searching for the main keyword or phrase in the scene. So for example, if I highlight this word now and search for it, the InVideo app will display all related media on that keyword or phrase, which you can now use to create your video. Adding any chosen media is simply by dragging and dropping it into the media holder here. You can also edit the text by clicking on the edit button here, and on the pop-up that appears, you'll find all the necessary text editing features like fonts, text color, and so on. Now after you finish editing your text to video, next is adding your voiceover. Now do you still remember the text to speech AI software? Yeah, this is where you need to add the voiceover you created with the text to speech software. And to do that here on the InVideo app, you of course need the advanced editor. So click on the advanced editor option here to be taken to the editor. Here is now where you can upload your video voice over. Now after uploading it, you see it appear here below. Just click on it if you want it to be added on the timeline. Here you can adjust the voiceover audio to match the text and scenes you created with the standard InVideo editor. And when you are all done, click on the download and share button here on the top right to download your video. Now that you have your video created, all that is left is uploading it on YouTube, optimizing it, and finally posting it. Now when it comes to the bonus I promise of doubling down on the amount of money you can make using an AI software, Storm is a web application compatible with both Mac, PC and mobile that makes it impossible to not see results. And that's simply because Storm will do all the heavy lifting for you every step of the way. So whether you are just as green as a newbie or an experienced marketer who is not seeing results online, this will work for you. As a video creator, with time you definitely need a website to further grow your channel and make more money. And having a website created for you without paying for a domain name or hosting account will save you a lot. On your website, you can use it to promote even more affiliate products that will make you even much more money from the same videos you upload on YouTube. Just check out how you can use the Storm web app to easily create a WordPress website without paying for a domain name or a hosting account. Just check out how this AI software will help you make money easily.
Let me show you how Storm can achieve this for you like no other app will ever do for you in 3 very simple to follow steps. Step 1. Build a profitable blog in less than a minute. Guys, would you like to know how you create a blog without all the headache? Well, this is how. Click on the Blog Builder tab and your hot topic into this label and click on Build Blog. And that's it, guys. What Storm is doing is creating a 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. You don't have to worry for domain registration. You don't have to worry for hosting. You don't have to spend hours figuring out what theme and plugins to use. All is done here for you in just a click. Great. Let's log in. And there you have it. A 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. And to make your life a lot easier, we have crafted a profitable template you can use as well to save you a lot of the headache of building a really professional-looking profitable blog in just a click as well.
Again, you'll find all the links of the AI software mentioned in this video in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.